Hello, my name is Emma and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will practice part 1, 2 and 3 of the IELTS speaking exam. I will act as the examiner asking you the questions and I will give you the answers. Then you can practice reading the answers out loud and this will help you practice for the IELTS speaking exam. So if you're ready, let's start. Hello, my name is Emma and I will be your examiner today. May I ask your name? Thank you. And where are you from? Thank you. Now let's start with some questions about your hometown and weather. What is your country famous for? Where do you live in your country? Is it an interesting place to live? Are you planning to live there in the future? Now let's talk about weather. How is the weather today? What's your favorite kind of weather? Is there any type of weather you really don't like? What is the climate like in your country? Does the weather affect people's lives in your country? Do people change in summer? Does bad weather ever affect transport in your country? Part 2. Now I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare your answer and then 2 minutes to speak. Here's your topic. Talk about a painting you would like to have in your home. You should say what it is, how you know about it, how much it would cost you, and explain why you want to have it in your home. Part 3, discussion. This part should last around 4 to 5 minutes. Let's talk about art in your country. How do people in your country feel about art? Do people in your country prefer music over art? What are some traditional art forms in your country? How has art changed in the past few decades in your country? Now, let's talk about art education. Do you think children should study art in school? How can children benefit from learning about art? Do you think the government should provide support for art and cultural activities? Okay, well done, we are finished. Great job for practicing speaking. Please make sure to subscribe. I have many other IELTS practice videos on my channel. And please let me know if there's any IELTS topics you would like to practice next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.